Looks like the route to LEGOLAND Discovery Center is blocked up ahead. Hang on, we're gonna need to make a detour through Bathtub Beach. Hey,
Right on, Grandpa.
feels good. Let's just check the map to see where... No, use your wands to help me pop these bubbles so we can find the map. We need that map or we'll get lost. Oh, there's the map! Grab it!
I'll get it.
Hold on, everyone. You're being dragged out. Hold the map. Don't worry, I'm coming in after you. Looks like we're all safe and good. Now use your wands to search the place. That map has to be around here somewhere. Let's find it. Aha! There it is! Great work! Now, Diane, now follow your wands. The stars, it's making shine brighter. I can see my house from here. I'm not sure which ship has the map. Use your wands to make them drop their stolen treasure. We need that map to get to LEGOLAND Discovery Center. It's got to be in there. Focus your wands on that ship. If we destroy all the lights, you drop the map. Well done, everyone. I'm gonna need a photo for my scrapbook. Say cheese. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Okay, enough dilly-dally. Let's get to LEGOLAND Discovery Center. We just need to head through this space vortex. Hold on tight. Here we are, as promised. There's a lot to do in LEGOLAND Discovery Center, so please take some time to explore. Thanks for your help today, and thanks for taking the